Hello viewers, today we are working on trying to clean your wheelchair cushion. Why do we want to do this? Well, it's pretty obvious. If you are constantly sitting in it and you don't walk on crutches or anything, or even as just a general rule, it's going to stink after a while. So what you're going to want to do is that some cushions have a little zipper on the back right here. I don't know if you can see that, but you have a zipper back here, and then what you would do is you would pull the cushion out, and then you'll just be left with the cover here. And a lot of them have directions that say that you're supposed to wash it, in cold water. You gotta make sure that you don't use bleach, and if you're gonna dry it, go ahead and hang dry. But I would suggest that just about every couple of days or so that you have some disinfecting wipes that you use for your backside. And the reason for that is if you just go and you buy something like Clorox wipes or something, the alcohol base and ammonia in there is probably going to take the color out of your cover, and you don't want that. So if when you clean your wheelchair cushion cover every couple of days, you're going to want to use the kind of wipes that you use to clean your backside. Every couple of weeks, you should make sure that you clean the thing that's beneath your cushion with perhaps a toothbrush or a vacuum cleaner, because a lot of lint and dust gets in here. So you want to make sure that you keep that part of your wheelchair clean. So don't forget to check me at Michael B. Duff TV on YouTube.